Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, over 40 years and thousands of successful IRS cases. Today's video is on This Is an Outrage. And yes, I think it's an outrage. I've been doing IRS representation, tax returns, tax returns since the mid 70s when I was 19. Had my CPA firm since 1980. And where is the IRS? You know, they're supposed to be going after people. I understand being shut down during COVID and some people doing their cases, but now that it's 2023, revenue officers and managers barely return phone calls. Clients and potential clients tell me, hey, they ain't going to do a damn thing about their IRS situation unless the IRS pushes them, and they claim that the IRS is so busy right now internally, doing things like going to special meetings, trying to gear up for their attack on the American public, that they're not working their cases. I can confirm what I've been told because I have the same thing going on as well. If I have a revenue officer on a case and they're not being pulled on off of their own cases to go on special assignment, then maybe they're working their case. But a lot of them, they're so scattered. Managers are scattered. Who knows, what to expect. So yeah, this really is an outrage. Our government wants us to pay taxes. I'm doing several podcasts. I'm still warning people. I've got a 4-part checklist that to this day, I don't know one person that's been audited when we used it. Has to do with pulling your transcripts, putting notes on the return, and yes, filing your return after the extension and waiting till around the due date of the extension. Now, the real outrage comes from the fact that it looks like they continue to turn this into a socialist society. The IRS is planning on having free tax preparation on their website. Internally, they're trying to create that. However, the tax laws and rules and codes and everything can get so complicated and very different, that you need to either get very familiar with each item on your return, including reading books on what um, credits and different things are available to you, or you pay a professional to do it. But getting people to give up their rights and file and telling them that they should file their own return on the IRS website is not a very smart thing for people to do, because they'll just send their return in. They think they're going to save the tax preparation fee, but really, their chances are they're going to overpay. They're not going to know what their rights are. They'll be late on certain matters. They won't know about penalties they can get off and things like that. And to make it worse, the TV commercials from H&R Block and Intuit and other companies are telling taxpayers, go file online, use our software for free or minimum cost. And then one of our experts, I have to laugh that they pay $25 an hour to, will review the return for you. So again, now what's going on TV, on media, is being able to tell people that they should give up their rights to have people use the tax code to their advantage. I mean, this is terrible. This is really, really terrible the way this is all going. I'm going to end this video. And as always, if you care about not being audited and you care about your IRS relationship and the nonsense that they might have on you, call Stephanie 713-774-4467, and we'll get to the bottom of it for you. Thank you.